guys, sorry about my voice is a bit scratchy, just have a little cough. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you can tell my face is pretty much better on the screen because I'm trying to actually get my face better on the screen. Today I'm going to be making a coffee ice cream milkshake or whatever type of ice cream you want to use. So I have my blender cup here and I have my ingredients on the side. Okay, let's get that. I should probably grab a spoon too so that I can get the ice cream out. Okay, so let me reach over to get my ice cream. It was on the other end of the counter. So yeah. This is for breakfast that I'm making this. That's why I'm in my pajamas. But I put my hair up and brushed it because it was crazy, guys. So I'm just going to. Okay, so you see that good ice cream right there? I'm not sure if you can see it. It's in there. I showed it on camera. We're just going to fill it up until it's as much ice cream as you want. I think it's probably like up to here. So let's get mixing, or more scooping, because we're not ready to mix. You can use an ice cream scooper, but I've just grown up using a spoon, or at least people in my family use a spoon. We used to do this by hand, but when we got this mixer, and this is like such a simple breakfast. So all you need is some ice cream, milk, a spoon, and a blender with a blender cup. Okay, so it's like pretty much you're just gonna want to get it scooped in. Okay, so you can see that I'm just scooping it in, and do not pack it in, like smush it in, because it'll have a harder time blending, and it won't be as good. And I blend it more than people do probably. I'm weird. I like it super smooth. Oh, you also need a straw, or you can just drink it out of the cup. And yes, the blender cup that I'm using actually is just, is like that. I'm going to put my spoon in the sink. That's something I don't want to turn the camera off for. So yes, I'm actually talking as I'm over the sink, and I'm already back on camera. Okay, so now we're going to grab our milk. Probably should put my ice cream closed into the container. That's probably enough to have a serving, or just, well, I have left in here. But don't worry, I have another case in here. So I'm just going to, another box, because I love ice cream. And what's good? Okay, so now we are going to get the milk and put it in the cup. Okay, here's my milk. Yeah, we have another milk in the fridge. Okay, I'm just going to hold my cup steady because I don't want it to fall and make a big mess. You might need an adult to help you with like steps. Like my mom's in the shower, my dad's walking the dog. I've made this plenty of times, so I'm just going to put this to the side. Now I'm going to get my lid, this here. I'm going to put the blade side in and tighten the cap. It's very tight because we don't want it to go all over the place when I'm blending it. Yeah, so we're just going to tighten it. I'm going to flip it over. No leaks. Good. And now we are going to take it over to the blender. Okay, so we are over at where the blender is, right there. So we are going to put our cup in there and blend it till it's how we want it. You ready? I have to lift it for a second because you don't want the piece to get too hot, right? I know it seems pretty creamy, but I always like to do a bit longer. Just a bit. Actually, I'll take it out now. Maybe I'll try a bit more. See, I'm just deciding what I want to do. See, yeah, sometimes I have to push a little bit hard. Now I just have to remember which way is unscrewing.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Okay, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Like that. Wow, I did tighten this tight. My tiny hands. Can you help me, Dad?
Bring it over.
Okay, so my dad's gonna help me open it. I'm gonna put the straw in over there though.
Okay, good. Lefty. Takes the lefty.
Okay, so my dad started it so that way I can just get it off easy. Whoa, that's filled. Now see how, let me aim the camera down, filled that is. So we're gonna get our straw in there and sip it. So. It's good. Thanks for watching today's video. Bye.